Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove a coffee pod from a Keurig coffee machine. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have a Keurig coffee machine, and there's actually a coffee pod inside of it, and I'm going to show you how to remove the coffee pod from the Keurig coffee machine. It's really easy to do. So first and foremost, you want to locate the area where the coffee pod is, and in this case, it is in this little area over here, and you want to open up the access to that area. So I'm going to use this lever to open this up, and that allows me to have access to the area. So I'm going to open this up using that lever just like that. And now that I use the lever to open that up, you can see the coffee pod is right there. Now, before you grab the coffee pod, I do want to say this. You want to make sure that the coffee pod is cool enough to be touched, okay? And by that I mean, make sure that the machine has been off and has been not running for long enough where the coffee pod is going to be nice and cool, okay? Because if you just used the machine rather recently, the coffee pod is going to stay warm for quite a while. So make sure your machine has been off and not used for a decent while, and make sure that the coffee pod is cool enough so that you can touch it safely and touch it, without like feeling anything. Just make sure that the coffee pod has cooled down enough, okay? Use your judgment, exercise caution, and put safety at the front of your mind, and absolutely make sure that that coffee pod is cool enough so that you can touch it safely and you can touch it sort of, without worrying and stuff like that. All right, so now that I've said that, this actually has been off for a very long time. This machine has not been plugged in for, I think, a few weeks, to be honest with you. I just used it for tutorials. Even this coffee pod, I inserted it for a tutorial, and now I'm removing it for a tutorial. I actually did not use the machine, for a long while. So I know that this is absolutely cool enough. So once you see the coffee pod, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to carefully grab it just by the lip of it. So you can see there's sort of a lip over here, and you're going to want to grab it by the lip of it. And there's, generally speaking, going to be an area where your fingers can sort of grab it. So in this one, you can see there's a little bit of a dip over here and a little bit of a dip over here. So I can actually, I'm just going to turn it sideways. I can actually grab the coffee pod in those dips with my fingers in those dips. Okay? And I can remove the coffee pod just like that. Okay, and I'm going to place the coffee pod down. I've now removed the coffee pod. Make sure you are being careful because there are some like pointy things around here. You can see over there, there's something that looks to be pointy. Just make sure you're being safe and cautious because there are some pointy things that are used, I believe, to make like the holes in the coffee pods. So make sure you're being safe and exercising caution because there are going to likely be some pointy things around there. So just be careful. And like I said, make sure safety is always the first thing on your mind, and you're always being as safe as possible. Once you have removed the coffee pod carefully and safely, using all of the cautions that I've talked to you about, you're going to close the lid to the machine just like that, and that's it. You've now removed the coffee pod. There's some coffee grounds. I'm in my basement bathroom, so I'm probably going to have to go vacuum this up after. But you know what? It's gonna need a vacuuming anyways because I actually, as I'm sitting here on the ground before I started filming, before I started filming this video, I noticed some stuff on the ground, so I'm gonna have to clean it anyways. But anyways, that's how to remove the coffee pod. I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it. Really easy to do. Oh, I dropped it. Oh man, I got a lot of coffee grinds on the ground, especially because, like I said, I didn't even use this coffee pod, so all the coffee grinds in there are just dry. Anyways, I'm going to have to vacuum this up. It's all good. But yeah, that's how to remove the coffee pod, just as I showed you. And I have this one here in my hand. I'm going to place it down. And that's it. I've actually got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, other than I hope you've enjoyed the video. But yeah, other than I hope that you've enjoyed the video, I've got nothing else to say. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. I've got nothing else to say. And with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro for this video. So officially, without further ado, this is the outro for this specific video. I'm not going to say it anymore. We are going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here's the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.